So today we are doing a bedroom redo. I got some stuff from Walmart and that is out for delivery. I'm gonna kind of take you guys along with me. I need this as motivation, keep on going. But I'm excited because I wanted to redo our bedroom for a little bit. So I will show you guys what I am doing, what I got, and the final result. So in our bedroom, we just have the basics, just a bed, 2 nightstands, and as you can see, my nightstand does not look cute. This curtain light does not look cute, so I'm gonna get rid of it, and I got something to put up there. I eventually want to get new curtains and get rid of all this clutter that we have going on. I will leave the fan and air conditioner because that's what I use every night to sleep. But yeah. Are you ready, Ween? To start out with a wash. So I'm putting our blankets that we use in the washing machine. I did get another set for the bed, so that should be coming pretty soon from Walmart delivery, but I just like to freshen up our linens. Main thing for me is getting rid of this clutter, and then I can actually put things together. Since we got married, I have not done any decorating. Like, I put up the curtain light, but that's very minimal. That's what I want to tackle, this mountain of clutter that I have going on. It's either going in the trash, going to friends, or going to the Goodwill. Walmart delivery just got here. So far I cleaned up my end table, and I have these windows, mirrors that I put up, and then I put on new curtains. You ready to see it?
No.
Why? Do you like it?
Yeah, looks good.
Isn't it cute?
Yeah. Really.